Today we're brewing our cold brew coffee using the Toddy commercial cold brew system. It has been perfect in our coffee shop when it comes to brewing a perfect consistent cup of cold brew each time that we brewed our coffee. In this video I would like to share with you our recipe step by step on how you can make a cold brew using the Toddy commercial system. And welcome to my channel. I'm the Weather Barista. Today we're brewing a cold brew using the Toddy commercial cold brew system. This is one of the easiest ways that you can brew a consistent and a perfect cup of cold brew each time that you brew your coffee. Today I'll be taking you through the steps on how you can make that perfect cold brew. You might be asking yourself, what's a cold brew? Cold brew is a method where you brew coffee. You just grind your coffee coarse, then soak it for 20 to 24 hours, then extract it, separating it from the grains. Then there you go, you have your cold brew. So we're going to brew our cold brew using the Toddy commercial cold brew system. It comes with a paper filter which fits inside here. Then we'll grind our coffee, put it inside the paper filter, then we'll add the water, then we'll close it back with the lid, then we'll let it sit for 20 to 24 hours. To make our cold brew, we'll start by grinding our coffee beans. We're going to grind our coffee bean on a coarser grind size. This will enable the water penetrate all the coffee grinds as it soaks for 20 to 24 hours. After grinding our coffee beans, we're going to place our paper filter inside the bucket so that we can pour in our coffee beans. After putting the paper filter inside, we'll add our grinded coffee beans. Then we're going to measure our water. We're going to need 4 liters of water into the coffee. We're going to start by grinding our coffee beans on a coarser grind size. We're going to need 500 grams of coffee beans. So we'll weigh our 500 grams, then we'll grind it on a coarser grind size. After grinding our coffee bean, we'll prepare our paper filter inside our cold brew system. Then after, we'll add our 500 grinded coffee to the paper filter. Then we will weigh our water. For our recipe, we are using a 1:8 ratio. So we are using 500 grams of coffee. Then we're adding in 4 liters of water. When you're pouring the water into your grinded coffee, you should ensure like you pour it evenly so that all the coffee grinds are wet. So we'll need a string to tie our paper filter. We will soak it until 20 to 24 hours. So we'll just put back our cold brew lid. Then we'll let it sit until tomorrow. This is the one that we brewed yesterday. This is now ready to be extracted. So we just need to open the tap and let the cold brew flow into your cold brew container. So we have finished extracting our cold brew. Now we're going to store our cold brew in a chiller. You can store it until 2 weeks. It will be in a perfect form. So in our coffee shop, we serve our cold brew in 2 types. We serve it as a black coffee and also we serve it as a milk-based coffee. For our black coffee, we just need our cold brew, then add a bit of ice, then it's ready to be served. Then for our other option of the cold brew, we just add milk with a bit of sweetener. This is perfect for our customers who like milk-based coffees. So this is how we brew and make our cold brew coffee in our coffee shop. You can try it either at home in a coffee shop. It's just very simple. All you need to grind your coffee on a coarse grind size. You will need to soak your coffee for 20 to 24 hours. You will need a paper filter so that you can filter your coffee after it's finished brewing. Then you will need to add milk or ice depending on what you like the most. So by following this video step by step, you can make that perfect cup of cold brew either at home or in a coffee shop. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me, subscribe. Until next time.